This ugly stick was actually handed to me in a garbage bag when a club member crashed it due to a receiver battery failing while in flight and while the airplane was coming in for landing. So, as you see here, it was pretty bad busted up, but we started putting it all back together. And it actually flew very well. So here's how I did it. Turn the thing sideways. Bring the trim down some.
Yeah, I'm gonna end it as soon as you touch.
Why?
'Cause I won't fly.
Well, that's a wrap for another RC Rehab video production. Like and subscribe, and if you get a chance, review some of the other videos. Got a lot coming, a lot to go. Got more projects on the way, so see you later.